Let's talk about tight lining. Now, not all eyeliners are equal, and the longer we stay around our eye, the more it's gonna water and get irritated. So this is an eyeliner I would have used a long time ago. This one's from MAC. Do you see that difference? It doesn't glide the same, and even down here, it's not as pigmented as that. I like to use an angle brush, and all I'm gonna do is grab my lashes, and I'm gonna hold them up like this. We're gonna start to draw, and the fewer strokes we can do, the better, actually. When we have to keep going back and forth on the eye, that can actually mix with your tears, and then your liner won't last as long, and it can smudge. I'm gonna hold up my lashes and doing a couple dots into the lashes. Now I'm taking my angle brush and all I'm doing is connecting the dots. And then if I want a little bit of a wing, I'll just stamp right there where my eye separates. I'm gonna do some upward motions. I'm not gonna take it too far out of the fold. Micellar water on a C30, and then I have a tiny little bit of a lift. Tight lining can really enhance your mascara if you don't wanna wear falsies. And if you're worried about transfer, grab the tiniest amount of Duraline. Pick that up on a brush. Notice how little I'm picking up. Go ahead and tap that on. That's gonna help with transfer and make sure everything's extra waterproof. And you can see tight lining just enhances the lash line and it makes the lashes look a little bit fuller. Now save this video for later.